Hey, you reach over my chocolate Pickney channel. Me glad to see you. If I your first time, big hearty welcome. And if I know your first time, big and serious, me happy you come back. Today me I go make one headband wig. And me I do it in a pattern. So hope you understand. Then we gonna hard video. All if your head thick and tough in a hard video, just follow the steps them what me I go show you. What me I go use a 2-pack of the Ripple Deep Kima braid. It come in at 8 inch. And me I go use the color black. I me never see no more color. Now me I go use one crochet needle, one mesh wig cap, and me I go use one headband. Now me I go need thread and needle for stitch on the headband to the wig cap, and then me I go use them 3 little pinion to hold on the mesh cap on the mannequin, so when me I crochet braid, you know, drag off or slide off of the mannequin head. And then of course me I go use one mannequin head. Where the mannequin head or see there. If you don't have no mannequin head, fold your foot and put the cap over your knee, or get one big jug and heist it over the jug and go and crochet. It might not turn out, but catch your practice until you get the mannequin. Now first thing me do, I drape the cap over the mannequin head. Me tie off the extra piece up at top because me don't know if nobody head so long for then give so much depth in the cap. But at that me do, and me turn it over to conceal it. Me no want to show, so me turn it over. Some people cut it off or some people stitch it down. Me just tie it and turn it over. Now me take out my headband and me I go put it over the mannequin head and drag it down all the way down at the bottom. Now if you notice, the inside of the headband turn out because me I go stitch it on pan the cap, yeah. And when me done stitch it on pan the cap, me I go fold it over, fold it back way. Look what me I do. Me I go fold it back way, so you now go see the seam. So when you do this, if you do it, make sure you put on the headband on the wrong side. Now you go stitch. I mean stitch. You now go to no back stitch, boom flick stitch or no, or just regular stitch like you hem your skirt bottom. You go stitch it like that, and when you stitch it, not dry too tight. Because remember, you want to put it on your head. And if you have a head the size as mine, you need as much space, darling, to put it over your head. So you go stitch it and make sure so the stitch loose. So when you're done and you stretch the cap, you not stuck because you stitch it too tight. Remember, you need the space. So remember to stitch it loose. Alright, a time for the ear now. I'm going to drag out the ear out of the pack. You see the ripple them? That's why they call it Ripple Deep. I love the ear pan the package. See there? Pretty brown mix umbrella thing. But now here I'm going to the store, I never ever find that the ear they in there. I saw some black ear them having at this Ripple Deep. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to drag it out. A 2 bungle come in a pack. And I just drag out one. Now the ear come thick so. But you see when me try braid it so, it just come out back and slip out back. So me always split it in a 2 or 3. Now, first thing you go do if you go do this, you go push the needle under the wig cap about 4 holes. Because if you itch pan one, it go tear off. So you pass through 4 or 5 of the hole them, and then you pull back the ear through. Then you pull it through. That not sound right, but me I go do it over again so you can know what me and talk about. Look, me I go slow it down. You open the latch and you push the needle under the wig cap through one of the hole. You go pass it through about 3, 4, 5 hole for reinforcement. You hook the ear, see how me hold it, hook the ear and drag it back under the wig cap. See it there? Now you push the needle forward so the ear not drop off it. And then you use the same hook and hold back the ear. See it there? And me I go drag it back through the loop the way me make. Now me I go do this one time. And me I go do it one next time. Now look again. Me I go drag the hair, hook it and hang it and drag it right back through the loop where the hair form, right? And me I go pull this right through. If you do it 3 times, it goes stuck. But if you do it 2 times, it will go through. So at 2 times, if you do it all the time, unless you go use your hand and tie it differently. I'm going to do this for them don't spin them run back, not pay attention, and teacher have to knock the desk to get them attention. So I'm going to do it again. I split the ear in a 3. You can do it in a 2. You can do it in a 4. But if you use it in a 1, you have to go tie it or glue it, because you go and slide back out. Me I go push the needle under the wig cap, pass it through about 5 string, then me hook the ear, drag it through, push the needle forward, hook the ear again, drag it through the hole there, push the needle forward and drag it through again. See it? It's easy. Me tell you say all if your head thick, you must know how to do it. Me I go tap talk now because I 3 times I do it and you're supposed to get it. So me I go make you go and watch and me I go speed up the video because me can't afford to make you sit down and watch it so long. Me I do the same thing over and over. Not even me no want to do that. So me speed it up and see it there me almost reach at the top. The string them will make the wig soft. Me I tell you. They have some tougher wig cap, you know, the mesh wig cap, and me can't find none, so this me have to sickle with. So see it there? Almost done. Fast forward for true. It's almost done. So me I go fill in them alopecia spot there and come back to you and show you how it look on my head. Zine? Don't go nowhere now. Stay with me. It'll get fluffy. You don't see it? It'll get fluffy. You notice it'll get frizzy. Because through me have to part up the ear in a 3 little piece and drag it through the string, the little string them where they call mesh. And all of them something there. But you see when it get fuzzy, I squeeze look most in my and I rub it up and rub it over the ear and just use me hand and hold it down. Then just come back together and snap back together like yeah. So the pin there. You see, because this mannequin no have no eye, no nose, no ears, me have to mark where at the front of the wig cap. So therefore I put the pin there. So when I drag off it off of the mannequin head, me know where to put it in a female forehead and know say yeah, me not turn the wig back and front or this front part the one at the side or something like that. If you get me. So me have it there. So see me here with my dry head now, me I go try on the wig. I think me do a good job. But look. I'm going to try on the wig and show you how it fits. See it there? Talk truth. It'll come together. It not even fix it and me transform. Look now, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to pull back the headband like I tell you, I'm going to pull it back. It's supposed to go over the front of the wig. But when I dry it back and look funny, I like it so. So I'm going to push it over. One thing I miss out. Guess what? Are the clip them. You know them clip they were coming at the wig. So when you put on the wig on your head, you clip it onto your natural ear. So when you go to a road and breeze blow, you know take off your wig or if somebody just pass by your ear, you know drag off and drop your ground. Get 4 of them there if you're gonna make the wig. Stitch 1 at back, 1 at front and 2 at the side. Remember that. Because you don't want to go to a road and no embarrassment. Now, for the back could have take a little more ear. But it can't go on. So if you're going to do this, buy 3 pack of ear. Them not dear. Them very cheap. Cheap. Them not expensive. So buy 3 pack of ear and make a wig for yourself and grab and go wig. If you're going town, go run look at errands and your head look like a mine under the wig, get it. Make it. If you know anybody who head favor for me and then could have used one grab and go wig, send the video to them for me, please. Make them know say them can use some cheap ear with one headband and make one grab and go wig for when them have a run look at errands and then can comb their ear. Or you know sometimes you do your ear and you want to go at hairdresser and you not have the time you just grab on the wig and go until you get to go at hairdresser. So share the video, like, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and thanks again for watching. I have some more other video on the channel. If you not see them yet, go on through. See 2 here, go and watch them. Better yet, binge watch.